shifting to overdrive. I know your love will carry me home. South Coast Highway, skies are so blue. South Coast.
Hello fellow rangers, welcome back to another video. Today we're at the amazing bank holiday me at Hanley farm. A big massive thank you to all who are able to make it here today, and also an even bigger thank you to the marshals and Alan, without whom we wouldn't have such a meet in the first place. It's right. Apologies in advance if I don't get your car. There's so many cars coming in on this at this meet. I may miss one or two, not by choice. So apologies in advance. So right, let's crack on.
My summer days have come. No more yesterdays. I feel the love. I'm in heaven when we touch. We're like castaways, can't get enough. I'd hell to hold you every night. Just can't wait to show you it'll be alright. Lady, oh my lady, let me hold you close. Lady, oh my lady, never let you go. I'd be lost without you. I'm no rolling stone. Lady, oh my lady, you'll never be alone. With every single breath I take, when I close my eyes, picture your face. There's no time to hesitate. Let's grasp this moment now. No time to waste. I'd fight hell to hold you every night. Just can't wait to show you it'll be alright. Hold you close, lady, oh my lady, never let you go. I'd be lost without you. I'm no rolling stone. Lady, oh my lady, you'll never be alone. I'd hell to hold you every night. Just can't wait to show you it'll be alright. Lady, oh my lady, let me hold you close. Lady, oh my lady, never let you go. I'd be lost without you. I'm no rolling stone. Lady, oh my lady, you'll never be alone. on the street. Find myself clutching onto straws. I'm in defeat. Is there a chance you should be someone else's good? I don't care. All I want is you back in my world. Are you the answer to my prayers? Let me down easy. Need to know if you care. Do you think you could do better, better? Or should I forget her, get her? Find myself in a trance, just another faded romance. Let her string me on forever, ever. Oh, is this the way I want to feel? Caught in the lights, the joke's on me. I've been up and I've been down this road so many times. Heard it all before. Swallowed your lies. There was a time when all my loving was enough. Don't wanna be a tragedy, lost diamond in the rough. Are you the answer to my prayers? Let me down easy. Need to know if you care. Do you think you could do better, better? Or should I forget her, get her? Find myself in a trance, just another faded romance. Let her string me on forever, ever. Oh, is this the way I want to feel? Caught in the lights, the joke's on me.
It's the truck I want. In your leg, yeah.
I've been walking the tightrope of pleasure be a twisted savior in the shadows of the night. The demons within you have come out to fight. I dance in the fire for you every night. A cardinal sin to fight for what's right. The dragons I slay won't make it alright. I won't be your guardian angel. I can't be the light. Never be your twisted savior in the shadows of the night. Ain't got no halo. Can't change the world. No matter what you say, so you'll never be my girl. I won't be your guardian angel. I can be the light. Never be your twisted savior in the shadows. whisper in my ear once more. You bleed distress, I know I should show you the door. I've been your clown, you push me to the brink of hope. Sink deeper down, the pain won't ease until you go. 420 blackbirds will forever lie. The girl who danced in silhouette had darkness in her eyes. Now some may look for silver, and some may search for gold. The girl who danced in silhouette would only reach for both. When the line was broken, you could not reason why. The girl
Right, fellow rangers, this isn't just any old Mark 1 Focus. It's quite special because it's got a Toyota V8 engine in it. Oof. Look at that. Now, I approve of this car. definitely a beautiful looking car. A lot of care and attention has gone into this car. Turbos as well. Oof. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely. With the ST Focus seats. Very nice car, Velo Rangers, very nice. Right, fellow Rangers, we haven't seen them for a very long time. It is the one, the only, it is Mr. Flatcat Media. Sorry, I keep saying motoring, but he's changed it to media now. Aurora is looking very, very nice, as always. Lovely little course to be. Links to Darren's channel will be in the description below. Very nice little car. Right, fellow Rangers, normally I would say at this point, which 5 vehicles if I had the opportunity to take home? Because there's so many nice cars here today, I'm changing it just this once, from 5 to 10. So let's see what we find that made the top. It's not in order, no particular order. So let's see the 10 cars. today's video. Big thank you to everyone who was able to make it here today. Also, a massive thank you to Alan and the team of Marshalls. Without you guys, we wouldn't have a meet here at all. I know I was going to say show, but no, it's a meet, classic car meet. Without your dedication and hard work, we wouldn't have one, and a big thank you to all of you. So hopefully it'll be even bigger next year for next year's bank holiday meet. We will soon see. Till next time, my fellow rangers, I hope you all take care. If you have enjoyed today's video, please put a like on it. Also, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. But till next time, this is the Lone Ranger signing out.
Shift into overdrive. I know your love